Breathing in the fresh scents of the pines above me, I feel the settling of being home again. Earthy aromas of moss and decaying forest floor moves me along the path, excited to see what's around the next corner. The coastal air invades my senses, propelling me forward, making me feel both nostalgic of past adventures and curious of new discoveries. I believe the Pacific Northwest has defined who I am today. Growing up here has created the foundation of seeking adventure and discovering the freedom nature gives. I don't think coming home is a specific place for me, but rather a sense of belonging that this place has given. It's found in the rustling of the trees, the rushing rivers, the quiet moments. It's found when I come to the end of the trail and dip my feet into the ocean. This is where I have found the definition of home, where I discovered my freedom, where it all began.